Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tessie and this is Automate with Tessie.
I'll explain how to open a UK or a US TikTok account, and that's because a UK or US TikTok account has more advantage than a normal Nigeria account. So we are going to click on where we have this drop down icon, then we click on add account. After clicking on add account, you are going to see where you have Nigeria. So you click on that place, then you type in United Kingdom so that you can make your account a United Kingdom account. After typing United Kingdom, click United Kingdom. Then you tap on continue with Google so that you can use your email address. You can open a fresh email address for just this TikTok account. So you pick the email address you want to use. You click on the email address. After adding the email address, it's going to create the account for you. After creating the account, then you put in your date of birth and the name you want to use for the account. To check if your account is a UK or US TikTok account, you go to where you have these three dash lines. When you click on it, you tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, you click on accounts. Then you click on account information. So this is how you can check if you are using a UK or US TikTok account. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.